In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma Auto Layout in UI3. How to use Auto Layout. Auto Layout is the fastest way to organize and scale your designs, and in the new UI3 update it's even more powerful. Start by opening your design and selecting the elements you want to manage, whether that's frames, layers, or text. Press Shift+A to apply Auto Layout. Instantly, your selection becomes a smart container that controls spacing, alignment, and resizing for everything inside it. Next, set the direction in the Auto Layout panel. Choose horizontal if you want items arranged in a row or vertical for a column. Rows work great for navigation bars or button groups, while columns are ideal for form fields, lists, and stacked sections. Now adjust spacing and padding in the design panel. Gap controls the space between items, so increasing it spreads them apart and decreasing it pulls them closer. Padding adds space around all items inside the frame, like margins inside a container. Use padding to give your content breathing room without manually nudging each element. For alignment, use the grid icon to tell the frame how to position its contents. Top left pins items to the corner. Center keeps everything balanced, and other anchors let you fine-tune placement based on the layout's purpose. This is especially helpful for headers, footers, and complex components. Set resize modes to control how elements respond as things change. Hug makes a frame shrink or grow exactly to its contents. Perfect for tags or pill-shaped buttons. Fill makes an element stretch to take up the available space in its parent. Great for responsive grids or flexible buttons. Fixed lets you set a precise width or height when you need something to stay consistent. UI3 adds a few key features that make auto layout even smarter. Wrapping lets items automatically move to the next line when they run out of room. Ideal for chips, avatars, or icon groups that need to adapt without breaking your design. Auto gap lets you type a or auto in the gap field, so spacing adapts dynamically as content or container sizes change. Negative spacing allows you to use negative values in the gap field to stack items for overlapping effects, like badges or layered images. When you are stacking, open the Advanced Auto Layout settings using the settings icon and choose whether the first or last item appears on top to get the exact visual order you want. That's the essential workflow. Thanks for watching.